Hello students, let's start the worksheet. Okay, let's start this worksheet. And the first question, I have already done these questions to save time. The first one is done here. Kindly check the answers. 4 upon 9 multiplied by 81. So 9 and 81 can easily be cancelled by 9 times table. So 4 nines are 36. Over here we have division sum. So we have copied the same number. 8 upon 16 becomes 16 upon 8, and then we did the cancellation and we got 8 as the answer. Now moving ahead with the third question. Okay, the third question is this question: fractions, subtraction of fractions. Always remember, children, when you come across bigger numbers, multiply the numbers in a rough working column. My LCM was 90, so 18 multiplied by what is giving us 90 was quite difficult. So I just kept trying and I got 18 fives are 90, and for this denominator I got 15 multiplied by 6 gives me 90. So this is how I did this question, and my answer is 2 whole 1 upon 15. Okay, this is just a short video to save time. Alright, now moving ahead with the third question, or the fourth question. The fourth question is this: you have addition of fractions. So when you got your answer here, this is your LCM. I did again tried multiplying the figures to get 60. 15 times what gives me 60, so I just tried it here, and when I got my answer here, it was 71 upon 60, which is an improper fraction. So I divided this, just see, I divided this number 71 by 60, so I got 11 as my remainder. So what did I do here? 60 ones are 60 plus 11 gives me this answer. Since we have two whole numbers now, one whole number which was 13 previously, and then we got another new whole number which is 1. So 13 plus 1 is giving me 14. 14 whole 11 upon 60 is the answer. Now we have a question on order of operation. So let's do this. Now, since I haven't given you brackets, I have just given you the signs here. So remember DMAS, DMAS, divide, multiply, add and subtract. So we are going to first solve division. So I will copy down 7, multiply by 10. 60 divided by 10 gives you 60 divided by 6, 60 divided by 6 gives you 10 plus 30 minus 10. Okay, let's move ahead with the second sign, multiply. We're going to underline this first, and 7 tens are 70 plus 30 minus 10. Addition, 70 plus 30 gives you 100. Minus 10 is your 90 is going to be your answer. Let's move ahead with the second question now. The second question is, again, you're going to solve following the DMAS. We have to first solve division. So I'm going to just copy down 150 minus, now 10 divided by 5 gives you 2, multiplied by 20 plus 30. So now we will multiply 150 minus 2 20s is 40 plus 30. Alright, then 150 minus 40 gives you 110 plus 30. The answer would be 140. Have a look at the third question. 9.6 divided by 4. How will you do this question? Simple. I have done this already. 9.6 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 remains. You get 1 here. Before you bring the 6 down, put the decimal point up. 4 4s are 16. And here we have the answer as 2.4. A question on multiplication of decimals. It is simple. If you know your tables well, you will never go wrong. So just check your answer for this question. Okay? Express 48 upon 400 as a percentage. So 48 upon 400 is already given as a fraction here. You will multiply it by 100 because it has asked you to find out the percentage. So we have written 100 here. Cut off the 2 zeros, cut off the 2 zeros. So what are you left with? 48 upon 4. 48 and 4 can be easily divided by 4 times table, and 12 will be your answer. Okay, just have a look at it and correct your mistakes. Have a look at this question now. 25 divided by 5000. It is simple. You just have to copy this number. Okay, 25 divided by, split the number 5 divided by 1000. This is how it goes. 5000 will be splitted this way. Okay, then let's find out what is 25 divided by 5. 5 5s is 25. 5 divided by 1000. Now you have already learnt in class, when you are shifting a decimal point towards left, it means divide. Moving ahead means multiply. Now always remember, this is your number which does not have any decimal point here. So where do you think the decimal point is? When you see a whole number, there's a decimal point always in front of a number. So there are how many zeros there? 1 2 3. So go back 1 2 3, and this is your decimal point. So 0.005. So you're going to write down 0.005 as your answer. Let's see this question. Express 0.06 as a percentage. Percentage means out of every 100. So when you're asked to first write down this 0.06 as a fraction first. Okay, I'm going to first write this as a fraction. Where do you think 6 is standing on what place? It's standing on the 100th place. This is 10th and this is 100th. So 6 upon 100. So when you see 6 upon 100, the percentage is so visible, so clear. 6% will be the answer. Alright, moving ahead with the next part. Have a look at the equivalent measures. 7.586 kg. The whole numbers are the first thing that you see here. Whole number 7 is your kg and 586 is your grams. Alright, so 7 kg, 586 grams. Everybody should be knowing 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 places there. So 3 places for grams here, the 3 zeros, and 7 is your kg. Moving ahead with the second question, 4.330 liters. 4.330 liters means what, children? It means 4 liters and 330 ml, right? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 1000, the 3 figures are here, and the fourth one is your liter. Then we have the last question, which has kilometers and meters. So 9.580 kilometer. So 9 kilometers and 580 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Alright, now we have find the equivalent ratio of, the first question is here. You simply have to simplify these figures. Okay, they have been brought into the simplest form. So 8 times 1 8, ratio 8 times 3 24, ratio 8 times 8 64. So I already have given you 1 and 8. 3 is the missing figure, which I have written here for you. All right, then we have the other figure, and that is going to be, all right, 26. So how do you do this? 26 times table. I will just jump onto the biggest table that I can see here. You can try out with 2 times table, it is all up to you. So I will try 26 ones are 26, and 26 times 3, let's do the working here. 26 times 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6 and 1 78. Yeah, so correct. 26 times 3 is 78, and 26 times 2 is 52. So 3 is already given here. You have to fill in the numbers here. Children, it was so. Let's have a look at the question. Find the area of the given triangles. The base and the height are given to you. So let's take one of this as base. I have made 6 my base and 14 my height. Okay, so cut off the numbers, and you always remember that you first have to write down the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. You write this first. This is very important to write. Any one of you misses the formula, then you will lose marks. There are chances to lose marks, so try to show working in each and every step. All right, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 7s are 42 centimeter square is the answer. Let's move ahead with the second figure. The second one is also very simple. The triangle is drawn. The base is basically 3 and 6. The triangle is standing on such a big base. One side is 3 centimeters, the other one is 6. So you have to add them up. 6 plus 3 is giving us 9. I have made my base 9 and the height is 6. 7 centimeter is just the slanting side, which cannot be used as your calculation. And always remember, when you're finding out area of triangle, your line should be perpendicular to one another, which makes a 90 degree. Everybody knows that. We've been doing it in class. So what is the perpendicular line that is standing here? This 6 centimeter. So you don't have to just get confused with the 7 centimeter here. Okay, any line which is running perpendicular to one another will be calculated. My base is basically 9, all right, and the height I have taken it as 6. So I have simplified and I got 27 centimeter square. I now have a very simple figure, a simple triangle made here. The lines are perpendicular to one another, 20 and this line, they are running perpendicular. It makes a T shape, right? So what is the formula? It has to be written first. Your base is 20 and your height is 5. So do the simplification, simplify them. 2 times 10 is 20 and 2 times 1 is 2. So 10 5 is 50 centimeter square will be your answer. Question 4. Find the volume of the cuboids whose dimensions are length 6 meters, breadth 9 meters and height is 3 meters. So this is so simple. The formula is volume equals length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, so how much is the length? 6, breadth 9, height 3. 6 9s are 54 and 54 3s are 162 meters cube is your answer. Now let's move ahead with the second question here. Again, we're going to write down volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length is 15, breadth is 10 and your height is 5. 15 tens are 150 multiplied by 5 gives you 5 zeros are 0, 5 5 are 25, 2 goes up, 5 ones are 5 and 2, 750 centimeters cube is your answer. Let's read this word problem. The ratio of Ali's mass to Rahim's mass is 5:4. Rahim's mass is 24 kg. What is the total mass of the two boys? This question is very simple, children. First, you're going to write down whose name is written first, Ali mass, and then Rahim's mass. So Ali comes first, ratio Rahim comes second, because whose name was first, Ali, then Rahim. So write in this way, okay? 5:4. So how much is Rahim's mass? It is 24. So write 24 below 4. How do you think did you get 24? You have your 4 times table here. 4, what is giving you 24? 4 6. So whatever you write here goes here. 5 6 30. So you've got to know that 30:24 is the mass of the two boys. Ali's weight is 30 and Rahim's weight is 24. What is the total mass of the two boys? So what are we going to do here? 30 plus 24 is equal to 54 kg. So how will you write down the answer statement? The total mass of the two boys is 54 kg. Okay, can you see? Just have a look. 68 multiplied by 7. Now to be on a safe side, I will multiply 68 by 7 this way. 7 8s are 56, 7 6s are 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So the boys are 476 in numbers. So what do you think the remaining students will be? Girls. So simply minus the total number of pupils with the boys. And what do you get? 10 minus 6, 4. And this is 5. Again, borrow 8. And this becomes 12 minus 4, 8. So the total number of girls are how much? 884. Find the number of girls. Number of girls are 884. Okay, hope you got the question. So let's write down 25 loaves. And how many were burnt? 7 were burnt. 25 minus 7. What do you think you will get? How many loaves now? 18 loaves. Okay. So there were 18 loaves of bread. Let me make it a bit darker with this. 25 loaves, 7 were burnt, and so we have 18 loaves. So 18 loaves were there in how many weeks? 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, 18 loaves. So 72 loaves are made. Alright, for 4 weeks, 72 loaves were made or were baked. So how much is one loaf of bread? 72 loaves of bread multiplied by $13. Let's do the working. 72 multiply it by 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Alright, 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7. 6 3 9. $936. How do you write the answer statement? How much will be the total sale at the end of a 4-week month? The total sale will be $936 at the end of a 4-week month. Now I need to just share my answer statement with you children. Have a look. This is the answer statement. Hope you can all see. Alright children, now I think I'm ending up my video. I wish you all the best for the exam tomorrow. Have a good day and do your corrections if any. Bye for now.